Okay, let's take a look at how to remove the security screen lock cylinder. They can be a bit tricky to get out, these things. So the first thing we have to do is undo the screw. Then if we look, the cylinder won't come out. It's stuck in there. And if you're just trying to get a cylinder out and you've got no key, it's not going to come out. The best way to get the cylinder out is to call a locksmith and have them remove it. But if you do have the key, the way to get these things out is you've got to press the dead latching pin on the screen door and the bolt will pop out. So you just press it in, the bolt pops out. It still won't come out. What you've got to do is put the key in, turn the key, lock the door. The door's now locked, and now the cylinder will slide out. What happens in these locks is when they're unlocked, the key is turned, the little cam goes down, and when you pull the key out, the cam stays down. It won't allow the cylinder to pull out or push out. So you've got to put the key in, turn it, lock the door, and then it will slide out. And of course, putting it back together is the same. You've got to have the cylinder, push it in, turn it so it's locked, and then put the screw back in. And then test it. Locked, unlocked. But yeah, if you don't have a key, there's no way to get the cylinder out, so you've got to call a locksmith to have them pick the lock to get the cylinder out. Unfortunately, there's no easy way around it.